In this video, I'm going to show you how to trade over under in Deriv. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to sign into your account, and then over here in your dashboard, you want to go to the options menu, and then from here, of course, you want to start by trading options. So I have my demo account over here. I'm going to click on the trade button, and it's going to take me to DTrader, which is basically Deriv's trading web portal, okay? Now, over here up top, you can see there's a bunch of different things. By default, you'll be on higher/lower. If you want to trade over/under, you want to go to over/under over here, and there we go. Now, if you want more, of course, tips, you can click on how to trade over under, which is going to show you exactly how to do this. But of course, essentially, you can just go over here and select either over or under. Then it's going to ask you for last digit prediction over here. So you want to select, of course, the one that you want. Then the duration, you have like 1 to 10 ticks over here, as you can see, or you could go and also put them in manually. It has to be between 1 and 10 over here. And then you have to put the stake on as well, which of course you can be whatever you want over here. Okay, so whenever you've done this, you can go and go over or under over here, and that's essentially how to trade over or under in Deriv. Now, I just wanted to show you how to do this. Of course, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just trying to show you where you can find this. I'm using my demo account over here for, of course, demo purposes. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.